I'm in a Top Gun training program trying to be more financially free. I never saw this coming, especially as an officer. So 2 weeks ago, I attended Discover SoftWash. We got kind of immersed in the whole introduction of soft washing. Got to put our hands on the equipment and just got to know AC and AJ and the rest of the staff, and everyone around there has just been amazing.
Well, I first met Dan, like I meet a lot of people, at one of our Discover Soft Washes. He came down to Sanford, Florida, and came down to kick the tires. And he had heard about SoftWash Systems, and it was similar to what he was doing. And he was really looking for something to transition into that was going to give him a little more control over his life.
Yeah, when I met AC, he's just a terrific guy. I can't say enough about him. I used to absolutely love my job. Times were great about 12 years ago when I first got into law enforcement. Putting on the vest and the badge every day, obviously there's a lot of risks involved in that, and part of that risk is maybe not coming home at the end of your shift. So April of 2021, I was on duty. I took a few punches to the side of the head behind the temple and to the ear, briefly lost consciousness. The end result was a traumatic brain injury in which I was off of work for 5 months. I had to go through physical therapy, speech therapy, and that's when I ultimately made the decision to say enough is enough. My life is more important than this.
I absolutely see similarities in Dan and the other people that have joined SoftWash because we're very purposeful about who we pick and we let in to this organization. They've got to be ready for this entrepreneurial journey, and they have to be ready to join a family. If it were not for the people, I would not be doing what I'm doing right now.
The biggest joy for me has just I'm seeing that the potential of the business and where this can go. It can be truly life-changing. To be part of a company that they just don't sell you chemicals, they don't just sell you equipment, and then they set you free and they have no ties to you anymore, they have no interest in you. That's just not the case here with SoftWash Systems. I'd say for anyone that's looking to go along that entrepreneurship route, SoftWash Systems is definitely something to check out. This has been just life-changing already, and I haven't even hardly started.